It's day number 16 of the 30-day Shiba buying challenge. And yes, Shiba is up 17% of the day. We're still focused on buying Shiba every day. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. The captain, we're going to buy Shiba together. Who is with me? I know you with me now. So we're going to go ahead and buy Shiba. And honestly, everything still stays the same. Still focus on buying it. I know it's up, but we have this challenge. We're going to buy this every single day for 30 straight days. So we're going to go ahead and get another $50. Just another $50. We're going to preview this buy. And the whole point is to continue growing our Shiba bag. So we're going to buy this now, and we're going to put this right in the captain's spreadsheet. We already know what some of these numbers are already right now because we've been buying at $50 for a couple of times. So we know that's going to be that position there. We're going to go ahead and click on view transaction. And literally, if you're just watching this for the first time, by the way, if you don't have Coinbase.com, click on the link below. Get access to this. You can follow Coinbase.com or even eToro, and the link is in the description. So then we're going to take this 1.4 million Shiba, and we're just going to copy it like so, right in our position in a captain spreadsheet, the 30-day Shiba challenge spreadsheet. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take the price of Shiba. I'm going to take the price of this, actually, a little bit more easier. Take the price here, put it there, and this is probably might be the highest that we bought in since we started this challenge. I really believe it is. It is. So it is because it's 3288. The highest was like 31, but that's completely okay. We still have 1.4 million Shiba and 27 million Shiba the buy-in challenge already. So we're really doing it really well. We have a total of 40 million Shiba in here, and this was from other ways of how we got Shiba, but not during this challenge. During this 30-day challenge, we've gotten this amount, 27 million Shiba. We pay $842, $807.69 was the amount of Shiba, and only $34.31. And now we just went ahead and tweeted this out. Let me go back to our tweet and make sure we tweet this out. And like we always do, we tweet this out. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my deal, tweet this out, and go to my home. Let's go home. So there we go. Day number 16 of 30 Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? And the secret man is with me today. What's going on, man? The secret man. Congratulations to you and your family and your success. And the 30-day Shiba challenge, day number 16, is in the books. I'll see you tomorrow on October 4th, 2021. It'll be day number 17. The price is going up today, and our bags are still being filled each and every single day throughout this 30-day challenge. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You can always get started with the Shiba buying challenge. Click on the link below if you want to do it on Coinbase or Crypto.com or even eToro. You can click on the links below to get started, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video, day number 17, October 4th.